Inside it, there is a meshed pipe. It can has a fault, it can has garbage, etc. in it. So first of all, we have opened it. First of all, we have to check this. Whatever vehicle is to be driven, diesel goes in it first. We have opened this T, so now the filter which is fitted inside it features a small pattern of mesh, so we have to open it. This mesh is also taking a lot of force to open. Because it is filled with garbage, we will put a key, we will open it with the key so that it may open easily, then we will show you what its condition is. You can see the holes in the T are completely clogged. Diesel comes from them, but they are entirely clogged. Operators don't open this T, but at least it should be opened and cleaned. So because of this, when we used to lift hand pump, diesel did not come up due to garbage. And hand pump used to take a lot of force while pulling up. So it was the reason, look, there is a lot of garbage.